Josh Toro for Jamf, and an introduction to Jamf Pro for macOS. Jamf Pro is a management solution that is specifically devoted to the Apple ecosystem. At the heart of Jamf Pro is the Jamf Pro server, a web application that is used by Jamf Pro administrators to design, manage, and support their environment. The Jamf Pro server is built upon three main technologies: Java, Apache Tomcat, and My Structured Query Language, or more commonly referred to as MySQL. Jamf Pro runs atop Apache Tomcat, an open-source web server that is built upon the Java framework and thus requires Java. MySQL is an open-source database platform used by Jamf Pro to store all the records related to the environment it manages. Jamf Pro has the ability to manage computers. Management of a macOS computer can be established by the Jamf binary or the Jamf binary and a mobile device management profile, commonly referred to as an MDM profile. The Jamf binary is installed on the client computer and is responsible for communicating to the Jamf Pro server to execute management tasks. MDM uses Apple's push notification service, or APNS, and allows Jamf Pro to leverage the native relationship between macOS and Apple to deploy configuration profiles and remote commands. Let's take a look at Jamf Pro. Before we interact with its interface, here's a quick tip. Jamf Pro uses responsive design. You'll notice that as I drag the corner of my browser, Jamf Pro resizes to accommodate the screen space available. This is very useful for viewing on screens of different sizes and customizing for administrators' preferences. Inside the interface, we'll find ourselves at the Jamf Pro dashboard. The Jamf Pro dashboard provides a visual overview of important items a Jamf administrator may want to quickly and easily monitor. But let's navigate to the Computers tab. If we navigate to the top left corner underneath where it says Jamf Pro, we select the Computers tab and find ourselves at the home for all the policies, configuration profiles, Mac App Store apps, groups, and other tools specific to macOS. I can also search my inventory of computers here as well by selecting the Search Inventory option, going into the Search Entry field, and typing in criteria that I can search against my inventory for. There's more information about this specific function in another lesson in this section. Let's now navigate to the Settings menu. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a gear, and by clicking this, you'll enter into the Jamf Pro settings. Right now, we're selected on all settings, but if we navigate down to where it says Computer Management, we can see just those settings that are specific to the management of macOS computers. Here, let's select the check-in object. The check-in object is used to establish when the client computers will check in with Jamf Pro. This is to say that computers initiate communication with Jamf Pro. This process is often referred to as client-initiated communication and relies on the installed Jamf binary to execute management tasks. If I hit Edit here, you'll see that we can find out that the default recurring check-in frequency has been set to every 15 minutes. This means that every managed macOS computer will call back to the Jamf Pro server every 15 minutes from the last time it checked in to verify its management framework and receive any management tasks that may have been scoped to that computer. Jamf Pro also utilizes a suite of applications that work in conjunction with the Jamf Pro server. Jamf Recon, Jamf Composer, Jamf Admin, Jamf Imaging, and Jamf Remote all help Jamf Pro admins help manage their environment. Jamf Recon is an application that provides methods to enroll computers into Jamf Pro. Jamf Composer allows administrators to create packages that can be deployed via Jamf Pro. Jamf Admin is used to upload and organize packages and scripts into a distribution point that serves as a resource repository for Jamf Pro. These resources can then be deployed through Jamf Pro via policies. Jamf Imaging is an application devoted to provisioning computers and calls upon the resources available to Jamf Pro when doing so. Jamf Remote is a utility that allows administrators to remotely log in to a managed computer, execute management tasks, and share a user screen. In summary, Jamf Pro is a powerful web application that utilizes Java, Apache Tomcat, and MySQL to manage macOS computers. It is accessible via a web browser and uses responsive design to allow administrators to resize windows as needed. It establishes management of a computer by either the Jamf binary or the Jamf binary in conjunction with an MDM profile. It contains 5 apps that work alongside Jamf Pro to support a managed environment: Jamf Recon for the enrollment of macOS computers, Jamf Composer to create packages for deploying through Jamf Pro, Jamf Admin to upload and organize packages and scripts available to Jamf Pro, Jamf Imaging to provision a computer utilizing the resources available to Jamf Pro, and Jamf Remote to allow administrators to remotely log into client computers as needed. This has been an overview of Jamf Pro for macOS. I'm Josh for Jamf.